message is transmitted by Red. This video will contain valid emergency alert tones. The creator is not responsible for any of these tones. It is extremely important that you don't be stupid and play the video in the air, because it will cause massive panicking and confusion. Red does not own any tones, music, or clips in this scenario, but anyways, get some pizza or McDonald's in. Enjoy watching.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All residents at the city of Orlando, get to your homes immediately. At approximately 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unknown creature was spotted roaming the streets of Orlando, attacking and killing anyone in sight. The description of the creature remains unknown, but police are still looking for information about this unknown creature. If you see this creature anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department and the National Center of Missing Children. An Amber Alert has been issued for the city of Orlando. Police are looking for a teenager named Justin Brown, a white male, 16 years old, 8.5 inches tall, with black hair and black eyes. He was last seen wearing a white shirt, gray pants, and red shoes. He was believed to be abducted by the unknown creature. We also got information about this creature by police officers. The creature seems to be a green gorilla. He's a large monster, can smash buildings, and has orange splatters on the hand. The name of this creature is still unknown, but police officers are going to try and get rid of this creature. If you see the creature or the teenager, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
This is WFTV serving the city of Orlando. I am Paul Carter, and this is a breaking news report. The teenager that was abducted by the green gorilla was found dead in an abandoned kindergarten. His body was completely been squashed by the green gorilla. Police has also found a name on the green gorilla. The name of the gorilla is believed to be Jumbo Josh. He is a large green gorilla that can smash buildings in his way. If you see Jumbo Josh, call 911 immediately. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Carter, signing off.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. All residents in the city of Orlando, get to your homes immediately. At approximately 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it is now reported that Jumbo Josh is now throwing bombs in the city of Orlando. All residents of Orlando are strongly advised to stay indoors at all times, and lock all windows and doors. If you see Jumbo Josh anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is WFTV serving the city of Orlando. I am Paul Carter, and this is a breaking news report. While Jumbo Josh is throwing bombs in the city of Orlando, it seems as another creature is spotted roaming the streets of Orlando, attacking and killing anyone in sight. The description of the creature was quickly found. This creature seems to be a pink bird, with purple wings, purple hair, yellow feet, yellow beak, and red eyes. The name of this creature is believed to be Opila bird. People are reporting that they can hear her scream from a far distance. If you see or hear Opila bird, call 911 immediately. That's all I have for now. This is Paul Carter, signing off.
Alright, guys, we got to find these creatures and kill them once and for all.
But how are we going to find these creatures?
Well, I got an idea.
What's your idea then?
We are going to lay down 6 eggs, then when the bird sees the eggs, we will pull a rope and the bird will fall into a hole.
That's a great idea, but what about the green gorilla?
We will do the same with the bird, but with some broccoli. But this time, we will shoot him.
Alright then, let's do this.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All residents of the city of Orlando, get to your homes immediately. Jumbo Josh and Opila bird were spotted roaming the streets of Orlando, attacking and killing anyone in sight. Police officers have an idea. In order to kill these creatures, all residents must lock all doors and windows. If you see any of the creatures anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. There were also reports that there is a kindergarten place named Garten of BanBan and have the same creatures in the poster. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Alright, guys, I lay down the eggs and the broccoli. Once they see it, we will pull the rope on Opila bird and then we will shoot Jumbo Josh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Here they come.
Get ready, guys. Now.
We did it.
Now, open fire.
How is he not dead?
I don't know.
Let's get out of here.
Hey guys, why are you running away?
Paul, watch out!
Oh no.
Oh my God.
Paul is dead.
Quick, Matthew, drive, now.
This is WFTV serving the city of Orlando. I am Jake Hernandez, and this is an update on the situation on the creatures. Police was able to kill Opila bird. They also attempted to shoot Jumbo Josh, but he's immune to gun bullets. We also have sad news for the city of Orlando. Unfortunately, Paul Carter was killed by Jumbo Josh. His body was squashed multiple times by Jumbo Josh. Police will figure out a way to kill Jumbo Josh. That's all I have for now. This is Jeff Hernandez, signing off.
So how should we kill Jumbo Josh?
I think we should knock his head with something that is large.
Well, I did have this giant piano that I bought.
That could work. The trap is finally set.
I hope this will work.
Here he comes.
We finally did it.
The creatures are gone for good.
Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. It was now been confirmed that police were successfully able to kill Opila Bird by falling into a hole, and they were able to kill Jumbo Josh with a giant piano. You are now free to leave your shelter. It will take years to repair all the damage that the creatures caused. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.